is your tutorial of how to make your own ringtone. Go to your GarageBand app, hit the plus sign, you can click on sampler, and these little bars up here at the top left, you click on those, that'll open up this screen. When I push the loop, that'll allow you to add songs into your phone. Go to music, all of your iTunes music will show up, so you can select which song you want. So we want to do I Got a Feeling, so hold down, and it inserts it in, and then you can adjust it just like the iMovie app. So you select it, and you can scroll it over. So take the ticker off. I forgot that step. Take the ticker off. If it's blue, it's on. You want that off, so take that off. So push play. So that's not the part we want. So you can scroll out and edit it. So now we're going deeper into the song. And you can adjust it. So we want it from that point, so go from there. Then hit the arrow button. Once you got the clip that you want, you can scroll this across. Push play. So that's the one I want. So hit stop. Go to My Songs, and it saves it. Now push it and hold. And it'll give you the option of the box with the arrow. And you go into ringtone. And then you can edit the name of the song, whatever you want to make it. And then hit export. And now it's in your ringtones. Then you can go to settings.
Ava or Alexandria?
Sounds.
Okay.
Ringtone.
Sorry.
Now.